If you're trying to completely change the look of your new 4Runner, installing a new grill can definitely make a difference. In this video, we're comparing the TRD Pro grill and the Trailhunter grill, because even though they look similar, they give off two totally different styles. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got both the TRD Pro grill and the Trailhunter grill for the all-new 4Runner. And we're gonna be breaking down the differences so that you can decide which one actually fits your build. Now, both of these grills do a few key things. First, they completely change the front end of your 4Runner. Second, you're ditching the Toyota emblem and replacing it with the full Toyota lettering, which gives it a more aggressive heritage style look. And third, you get the ability to run a 20-inch light bar integrated right into the grill. Now, this is where things start to separate. The TRD Pro grill has more of a gloss black finish, so it's going to stand out more, especially in the sunlight. It also comes with silver Toyota lettering, which gives it a clean, more classic OEM Plus look. On the other hand, the Trailhunter grill is more of a matte textured black. So instead of standing out, it blends in more with the rest of the front end. And instead of silver letters, you get bronze lettering, which gives you a slightly different tone without being too flashy. Another thing to keep in mind is the Trailhunter grill is actually a bit cheaper. So if you're trying to get a similar function and look while saving some money, that's definitely something to consider. One thing I really like about both of these setups is they come in two separate pieces. You've got the top section where the Toyota lettering is, and then you have the bottom section, which features the ability of having a 20-inch light bar. And the cool part is you don't have to buy both pieces. If you just want the heritage look, you can run the top piece only. Or if you're more focused on lighting, you can run just the bottom piece for the light bar. It gives you a lot of flexibility depending on what you're trying to do with your build. And speaking of lighting, we are going to be doing a full install with a Diode Dynamics 20-inch light bar kit in a separate video. So if you want to see how that all comes together and performs, make sure to stay tuned for that. So which one should you go with? If you want something that pops more, has that gloss finish, and a brighter contrast, the TRD Pro grill is probably the move. But if you want something a little more low-key with a different texture and that bronze accent, the Trailhunter grill is a really solid option, especially for the price. At the end of the day, you can't go wrong with either one. It just comes down to the style you're going for. Let me know down in the comments which one you would be picking, the TRD Pro or the Trailhunter. And if you're planning to upgrade your 4Runner, make sure to subscribe. We've got a lot more builds and installs coming soon. If you want either one of these grills for your 4Runner, make sure to head over to our website, yodaexpedition.com. Link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.